how to turn GIFs into live stickers in iOS 18 on iPhone and iPad. So if you want to turn GIFs into live stickers in iOS 18 on iPhone and iPad, then what you need to do is, first and foremost, you need to download a popular app which is called GIPHY, or you can also use any other application which will convert your GIFs into live stickers. This is a must-have requirement at iOS, because as iOS doesn't offer a built-in way to let you turn a GIF into a live photo. And don't worry, because it's available and it's free and has a massive library of trending GIFs. So you can go with your app store and search for GIPHY. So once you have downloaded this app, you can open it, and after that head over to the GIF section, or the GIF that you would want to convert into a live sticker. Tap on the triple dot icon which will be in the top right corner of your screen, and then choose convert to live photo in the menu. Next step, you need to open up your Photos app and navigate to your live photo section. After that, tap and hold on to your image, and once you tap and hold on to it, you will have add sticker option. You just need simply tap on add sticker, and that's all. That's how you can instantly convert the live photo into a live sticker. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.